Let's look at this question on arithmetic progression. That's AP. The question here says the ninth term of an AP, that's arithmetic progression, is 3 times the fifth term. A says find a relation between the first term and that's the first term A and the common difference D. B says prove that the eighth term is 5 times the fourth term. All right, so that's your question. For this question, let's take down the solution. So solution, let's solve this question. Solution. All right, so what are we given here? In this question, we are told that the ninth term of an AP. Now we know that ninth term given, we know that ninth term, so ninth term, that is A plus 8D. That's a ninth term, A plus 8D. They said is 3 times the fifth term. What's a fifth term? What's the nth term for a fifth term? We know that fifth term is A plus 4D. The question says the ninth term, that's T9, is 3 times the fifth term. 3 times fifth term, that's T5. All right, so that's it. We have to find what there? A relation between the first term and common difference. All right, let's get the relationship between the first term and common difference. And how do we do that? Let's replace value. What is T9? T9, ninth term, is A plus. This is T9 actually. All right, this is T9. This is T5, fifth term, T5. T5. So the ninth term, A plus 8D, is equal to 3 times, so 3 into the fifth term, A plus 4D. We have this. All right, so if you have this, let's expand bracket. This becomes A plus 8D is equal to 3 times A gives you 3A plus 3 times 4D gives you 12D. So I have this. Okay, let's collect like terms. All we have to do is move everything over here. So if you move everything here, this becomes 0. So 0 is equal to, this becomes 3A plus 12D plus A comes over here becomes minus A plus 8D moves over here becomes minus 8D. So I have this. Let's collect like terms. 0 is equal to 3A minus A. 3A minus A gives you 2A. Then you now have 12D minus 8D. 12D minus 8 gives you plus 4D. So I have this. All right, looking at this, we can see that you have 2 and 4, which is very much factorizable. This becomes, let's interchange this. 2A plus 4D is equal to 0. It's the same thing, all right? Just swap positions. So you have this. All right, so what next? We can factorize. There's 2 here, there's 2. Let's factorize 2. Bring out 2 here. 2A divided by 2 gives you A plus 4D divided by 2 gives you 2D. So this becomes 2D is equal to 0. You can expand this. 2 times A gives you 2A. 2 times 2D gives you 4D is equal to 0. Now, at this point, we can choose to divide both sides by 2. Divide here by 2 and divide here by 2. This will cancel this. So I have A plus 2D is equal to 0 divided by 2 gives you 0. From here, to get the relationship between A and D, this D can come over here. So we'll have that A is equal to, this is plus 2D. Plus 2D comes over here, becomes what there? Minus 2D. So the first task, we are asked to find the relationship between the first term and the common difference. So that relationship is given by A equal to 2D. That means the first term is equal to negative 2 times the common difference. This is the required relationship. All right, what next? Let's look at the second part of that question. The second part of the question here, we've done the first part, that's A, which is this. Second part, B, says prove that the eighth term is 5 times the fourth term. Prove that eighth term is 5 times the fourth term. B, say we should prove that eighth term T8 is equal to 5 times the fourth term T4. That's a tax for B. And how do we prove that? Let's simply get the value for T8. For T8, the eighth term T8, we know that for an AP, the eighth term is usually A plus 7D. This is A plus 7D. This is the expression for the eighth term of an AP, A plus 7D. Yeah. What's the value of A? We already had A here as what there? Minus 2D. So put A as minus 2D. Put A as equal to minus 2D. From this part here, you have that T8 is equal to A, which is minus 2D plus this one here, 7D. And that's equal to minus 2D plus 7D. Minus 2 plus 7 is 5. That is 5D. So in essence, we're saying that T8 is equal to 5D. So T8 is equal to 5D. Let's get fourth term. All right, fourth term. Also, the fourth term, T4, the expression for fourth term is A plus 3D. All right, so A plus 3D. This is the expression for fourth term. Let's put A, please. Let's put A. We said A is what there? Minus 2D. Put A as minus 2D. What do you have there? We'll have that T4 is equal to A, which is minus 2D. That's A minus 2D, then plus 3D. Plus 3D. If you do this, what do you have there? We'll have that T4 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 gives you what there? 1. 1 times D gives you what there? D. Alright, so what do you observe here? Observe that T8 is 5D and T4 is D. And we know that 5D is equal to what there? 5 times D. In essence, the T8, the 8th term, 5D is equal to what there? 5 times the 4th term, D. So from here we can now say, since 5D is equal to 5 times D, hence the 8th term T8 is equal to 5 times the 4th term D. So this is how you prove this question. All right, so basically this becomes the solution to this question. All right, so as usual, I will leave you with a task for you to solve. Let me get the question for you. Let's see. So let me get the question for you real quick. Your task is this: which term of the AP 258 is 44? So that's your question there, right? Solve that question. Now, if you enjoyed this video as usual, do well to hit the like button, all right? Like this video and do well to leave a comment. I give you a task for you to solve. Pause this video, solve that question, leave your answer in the comment section, and I'll give you a reply. I'll tell you if you're correct or not. Don't forget to also hit the subscribe button. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon and select all so that you get notified whenever we upload new content. Then finally, do well to share this video to your colleagues and your friends so that they can also learn. Thank you and see you in our next class.